Questioning borders is impossible without visualizing them. How do they look like in real life, and how do they show on maps? So it's the first border we're looking at is a border between China and Nepal. And as you can see, if we change it to a real-time pictures, the borders really go along with the Himalaya mountain, and it's really quite difficult to get over that.
But it's moreover, it's very important to notice how this border, how this is an example of a border that really follows the relief, and especially when we look at the place like this one, we really see how it follows the valley and how it's very, very, very precise, and how it really follows the aspects of the relief. Here we have the second example, which is quite opposite of what we just have seen.
Yes, of course. You can see it's quite artificial borders that goes very strict. It doesn't go along with any nature.
Especially when you compare the lines, and when you compare how it flows and how it works with the relief, it really is completely artificial, and really shows the arbitrariness of how borders are made. Of Korea, with the North and South Korea.
And as you can see from the you cannot see.
Of course you can see, yeah, now, if the video is getting better.
This is not the borders in people's mind that is a fixed border, but it's more like a military demarcation line. But along this long border, there has been a very beautiful zone that
emerged, actually. Now even you can see it actually with the satellite images, that that on the whole demarcation line you have more greener parts, that it's actually a green belt that has been formed between North and South Korea.
Yes, and that's a beautiful outcome of this border.
Even though you have millions of mines, but this is another question. Until now we have looked at the virtual side of borders by looking through Google Maps on satellite images. But how do they look like from an Earth perspective? I mean, often a border is not much, just like here, a symbolic indication that a country is crossed, or here between Switzerland and Italy, where it's just a small stone that is put on the ground. So it's just important to note that borders are always really something that is political and that was created